the industry-first intelligent interactive system, reshaping the new human-machine collaboration experience. Multifunctional console, Malus CB10. Amidst the rapid development of the Internet of Things today, application scenarios for remote unmanned devices are increasingly diverse. However, the traditional mouse and keyboard operation, it is difficult to meet the requirements of complex scenarios for precise control of remote unmanned devices and efficient management requirements. The CB10 connects via Bluetooth or wired connection to the low-altitude digital smart management platform. Functionally partitioned buttons can achieve one-click takeoff, self-setting of horizontal and vertical bidirectional speed thresholds. Fast or slow is very convenient. The equipment is equipped with a 3-joystick design, unlocking new dimensions in remote control. The 4D raw joystick precisely senses force and direction. Flight attitude and gimbal angle are under control. One-click trigger to stop in emergency situations, maximizing flight safety. Extensive physical buttons support customization, cooperate with the indicator light, directly mapping the backhand control system functions. During patrol missions, if emergencies occur, activate the microphone instantly for real-time remote announcements, expediting mission execution, making every remote operation all become the key to success.